TV, Nairobi.
Riwruok mar jochiw thieth mar Kenya Union of Clinical Officers KUCO koro donje ogirimiti kod tendo osiptal ma Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Teaching and Referral gino ma igeno ni dhi bero weche mag ratich jotijego ahinya te yore mag chudo. E ogirimiti no tend osiptalno mayando idho ngas nyaka level 6 biro chako golo jochiw thieth go e andika mar yor orak kendo bende gibiro yudo thuolo mar kawo kata hola e bengi. Jotend riwruoggo eko mag KUCO okwayo piny owacho mondo omed kwan mar jotich machiwo thieth e osiptande ma pacho ka ni mar mano biro miyo tich bedo mayot.
Allow me to really thank and congratulate the CEO for showing leadership. He has really expedited this process, and we have reached here even faster than we expected ourselves. And I think that goes a long way to show the interest of the administration that we are having in the welfare of the staff. And it also gives us a lot of hope as Kenyans, because that means that when the welfare of the staff is taken care of, Kenyans out there are going to receive very good services.
We must encourage the government to invest properly and employ workers. It is the workers that are play the pivotal role to ensure that patients are able to get the services. When we are here today, we see a gap that is existing. We have been having the negotiation with the counties that are supposed to have over 300 clinical officers, but they have less than 100.